Hi, I'm Glory St. Germain. Do you feel tight through your upper body, your shoulders, and your neck? As a music teacher, I love to do a nice seated twist, and I wanted to share this with you. We've created the Ultimate Music Yoga program. And to get you started with the seated twist, here's Heather Kolankowski with an Ultimate Music Yoga tip.
Seated twist is a wonderful way to stretch out and loosen up your entire upper torso from the hips right up until your neck. So, to do a seated twist, simply start by seated tall with your feet planted hip width on the floor. Then, take your right arm behind you for support, not leaning into that arm. Simply, as you inhale, start to rotate towards the right, leading first with the rib cage, and then the chest, the shoulders, and the neck will follow. Seated twist. Release that and simply balance it out on the other side. Left hand behind you, sitting tall, inhaling, leading with the rib cage, chest, shoulders, and neck. Enjoy that, feel good, be healthy. For these and more tips, be sure to visit ultimatemusicyoga.com. Namaste.